Now let's look at this figure 22-9, which illustrates cooking equipment loads in accordance with Table 220.55, Column A. Now notice we're using the Column A for the service and even a branch circuit, if that be the case. Now, we want, if we just had one unit at 3 kW, then we'd calculate the demand load for a piece of cooking equipment with a 3 kW rating. We go to our column A, use 80% times 3 kW, we'd come up with 2.4 kVA when we convert it. And so we could see then the solution then, the column A would permit 2.4 kVA for the cooking equipment. But now in the boxed in information below, we have two 3 kW units. So when we go in step 1 to column A to table 220.55, we have 3 kW, but we have 2 units. So we get a 75% instead of the 80% in the illustration because we have 2 units instead of 1. So 75% of 3 kW times 2 is 4.5. So step 2, we have 4.5 times 1,000 would be equal to 4,500. And again, we're just using 1,000 to get rid of the K and get it into votamps as the question wanted us to do. So that's what this figure 22-9 is illustrating, that the solution and answer for demand for two 3 kW units is 4,500 votamps when the math is performed. And that's what this figure 22-9 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.